video is for the lab tracking a curve. Specifically, this is the pre-lab video. The question we're investigating in this lab is, why does a projectile follow a curved path? To get set up for this lab, you just need some items that you can find around the house. I basically just cut up pieces of cardboard boxes that I had laying around the home. The first thing that you need to do is make a ramp for launching your projectile. What you do is you get a rectangular piece of cardboard. I'm just using the back of a box of tea. Fold it long ways and then fold one end of it back again so that you have created a ramp. So your ramp looks like this. Next, you need to create a surface for your sphere to roll upon. I'm just using, again, another piece of a box, Eggo waffles this time. I'm resting it up against my physical science textbook. And then you're instructed to use a sheet of scrap paper over top of that piece of cardboard. So I've got that all set up now. Also, you are asked to roll a sphere of some kind onto this piece of paper resting on the cardboard. And really, just about anything will work. Maybe some of you have those little super bouncy balls like you get out of the gumball machines at grocery stores. I have a golf ball here. I happen to have a marble at my home. But any tiny sphere that you've got around the house ought to do. And another thing that you are asked to do is make a solution of colored soapy water so that you can easily track the path of your sphere on the sheet of scrap paper. I just took a little bit of dish soap, put it into a bit of water, swirl it around. If you have food coloring, great, use food coloring. It will make the path of the sphere easier to see on the paper. But if you don't have food coloring, don't worry about it. It's not a make or break for the lab. As always, I encourage you to be creative problem solvers. Figure out a way around it. And, if you don't have a particular material and you can't get a substitute, like for example with the food coloring, just do without it. It'll be okay. And that's your pre-lab setup for tracking a curve.